Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to APSACS online support program. Today we are going to start our language session. In this session you will learn about profile writing. So, what is profile writing? Profile writing is a part of creative writing that describes a person, place, or anything in detail. Here we have three summaries of three profiles. Now we are going to read these profiles one by one in detail to know that which summary belongs to which profile. So let's move on. So first profile says, "Hi, my name is Lucia and I am 11 years old. I'm from Tierra del Fuego, the land of fire in Argentina. I've got two brothers. One is younger than me and other is older. We get on really well together because we all love sport. I'm the captain of the girls' basketball team at school. I've got lots of friends and I've got a pet lizard called Bruno and a cat called Silk." So this girl is telling about her name, the place where she is living, and then she is telling about her siblings, and then she is talking about the healthy relationship she is having with other siblings. And then she's telling that she's a captain of the girls basketball team, that she is telling about his capabilities. She has lots of friends, and then she at the end she tells about her hobbies. Okay, so this profile summary is related to these 3 points. Now we can figure out that which summary belongs to this profile. Means this profile is completely telling us that she is a very confident, outgoing, and active person. Now, next profile is, "Hello, I'm Madiha. I'm from Pakistan. I live with my parents and my brother and sister in Punjab region, about 30 kilometers south of Lahore. I'm 12 years old and I love taking photographs and reading books. At school, I enjoy helping my teacher and classmates to organize the classroom. We sweep and mop the classroom floor, recycle materials, and give out homeworks to our classmates. I get a bit angry when someone forgets their homework. So perhaps I should be a teacher when I grow up." So this profile is telling the name of that girl, the place where she is living, her relationship with her siblings, and then her habits of cleanliness, and then at the end she says that I get bit angry. This tells that this is a kind of bad tempered girl. So number 1 point is the summary of this profile, that you are very tidy but a bit bad tempered. So if you are getting angry, then it means you are bad tempered. Okay, third profile is, "Hello there, I'm Sam. I'm from Bristol in England. I'm 12 years old and I'm an only child." It means he has no brothers and sisters. I've got lots of pets. My parrot's name is Ariel and I've got a hamster too called Fluffy. I love playing with them both. I'm studying a lot at the moment because I've got a maths and an English test this week. I'm sure I'm going to get top marks just like in the last exam. My hobbies are reading and training my parrot to talk. Okay, this boy is sounds like very hard working. So this boy is very hard working and very confident. So number second point is the summary of this last profile. Now you have to match these profiles given in your books one by one, these summaries. And next task is you have to find meanings of the following words and write down that words and their meanings into vocabulary journal and make sentences on loose sheets. Okay, the words are enjoy, organize, recycle, perhaps, moment, hobbies, and training. We have taken these words from these given profiles. So if you have read these profiles carefully, you can find out the meaning very easily and you can make the sentences as well. Okay, this was your today's task. Thank you.